13. These to go on there as well. Which are let's see, this is okay, 18mm socket we got.
Nice.
Do that. Use the rattle gun. Beautiful. Okay, that's done. Undo that. Come in here. That's it. Go inside here. Back part.
Oops.
Get in there. Show them the action.
Yeah.
Yep. Just like here. So then now we've got to figure out a way to undo that from that. What we'll do is I'll undo the top first. Undo the top. So the toss the closure. Give it 13mm. Undo these. Alright. 14 here, right?
It was 20 something before.
Huh?
Yeah, it was 20 something before.
Yeah, it's on.
Nice.
I'm sorry. This is yours. Don't forget, smash that like, comment, share, subscribe, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Get to that 500 goal when you're there. You enjoy DIY content. You know, working on cars. Or being hands-on.
Yeah.
We've got a bit of motorsport in this channel. We've got drifting, we've got DIY, we've got
Everything.
as I say. So this is 13mm nuts on this top of the strut tower. And then also we've got these reinforcement plates to put on too. But we have a strut bar as well. It's pretty good to do, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Ooh, bad.
Nice.
Bad.
Nice.
Okay, these studs are super long over.
You're a machine. Look at that.
Huh?
I said, you're a machine. Look at you.
Alright.
Look at you go, Mark. Oof.
You still say that?
I do. I do.
Wait, wait. Oh,
See, you're such a good influence. And I'm a good influence too.
Yeah. Okay, we've got one more to go. Okay, done. You can take off that, take off the strut bar as well. There you go, it comes off as well.
Nice.
So with that, you can put this plate on as well, which reinforces the strut tower when you have too much. Beautiful. And then we'll do the other side at the same time.
Mm-hmm.
Over here, the 13mm ratchet spanner. That was the best thing to do. This is a long stud. You gotta have a deep socket with the rattle gun. I'll probably have that as well, but we'll just use these for now. Yeah. Don't forget to check out my other YouTube shorts. Got many YouTube shorts every day. Yeah, you really chat with the chat bar. I don't know why the chat's not working. I put it on, and that's why the thing that you can't talk or.
Yeah.
Yeah. So where's everyone on the stream from, eh everyone? Where are they from? Where's everyone from?
I don't know.
So I can see, it says you can share and stuff.